Hey students, this is your homework video for practice 3.1, 3.2 from 914. I can't remember which ones we did here in the top, so I'm going to work through all 6 of these first ones. To determine if something's a function or not, we only have to look at the x category here. And so I see 8, 4, 2, 4, 8. Because I see the 8 repeat, then this is not a function. Okay? And so the explanation why is because the 8 repeats. The 4 also repeats, so that makes it not a function also. Numbers 2, 3, and 6, we do the vertical line test, so you just draw vertical lines down. That hits 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So since those all hit 1 point, this is a function, and the reason would be because it passes the vertical line test. On number 3, when I draw down, this hits 2 points right there, so this is not a function. Okay. Number 6, when I draw down over here, it hits 0 points. Here it only hits 1 point, but right here it hits 2 points, so this is also not a function. Alright. On the mappings, we're looking at the x column, and you're not allowed to have 2 arrows leaving. So negative 10 has 1, negative 8 has 1, negative 6 has 1, negative 4 has 1, negative 2 has 1, so this is a function. It does not have 2 arrows leaving out from it. Number 5, in all the examples that we did, if you have a y, okay, then you are a function. Okay? And this one has an x, so if you have a y and an x, you're definitely going to be a function. Alright, next page. Right, to state the domain and range here, from these points I think it's in your best interest to make your own little table, x, y, like that. This point right here is over 1, 2, 3, so it's negative 3, up 1, 2, so negative 3, 2. That one's done. This one is negative 1, up 0, so that one's done. This one is over 1, up 2, and this one is over 1, 2, 3, up 0. Okay, so then our domain is this side, Dr. XY, in order. We usually use brackets to put them in, so that'd be negative 3, comma, negative 1, comma 1, comma 3. On the range, we're going to put those in order also. The smallest one is 0, then 2, and then we don't list repeaters. Okay? And then you could be asked, is this a function? It passes the vertical line test, and it doesn't have repeaters. So this is a function. Didn't ask you that, but it could. Alright, next one is the verbal. It says a function pairs each teacher with 30 students. So this would be me, the teacher. This would be the 30 students. Over here, dot, dot, dot. Me with the first student, me with the second student, me with the third student, me with the fourth, me with the fifth. You see the story here. I'm going to have 30 arrows leaving out, so this is not a function because you're only allowed to have 1 arrow going out, so that is not a function. Alright, that's the end of it.